la, la, ah, la, la. Okay? Law is like the police, the law enforcement, the law. Okay? And you see the judge's gavel down there? That's what the judge used in the court of law. Okay? Now, I want to explain this one a little bit because this is the first of uh, of the slides. So, the AW R. When you look at it in dictionary.com, it's going to see a AW. Okay, but the AU also says R. When you look at it in dictionary.com, you're still going to see the AW. AW going to represent the AWR and the AUR. But in American Heritage, the O with the little house over the top, down near the gavel there, that represents the R sound. So if you see an AUR, you're going to see an O with the house over the top. Or if you see an AWR, you're going to see an O with the house over the top. Now, why is it very important to know how to recognize them in the dictionary? It's very important because whatever word you see in the dictionary, and when you see that AU, if you're using dictionary.com and you see the AU, and you know the sound gonna be R. American Heritage, if you see that O with the line with the house over the top, you know the sound is going to be R. So it's very good to know how it actually looks in the saw, s, ah, saw. Okay, the cat looked up in the sky and the cat saw a ghost. Woo! Cat saw a ghost. Paw, p, ah, paw. Okay, that is a cat paw. Okay, I think that's a cat paw. I guess. A paw, a claw, cl, ah, claw, claw. Okay, now we got a lobster up there. See that lobster with a big old claw? And then we got a crab claw, and we got an eagle claw. Claw, ah, claw. Draw, der, ah, draw, draw. Okay, you see the little boy? He drawing some eggs. And the girl, she drew a sun, a smiley face sun. Okay? Draw means to pick up some paper and draw a picture. Draw. Lawn. L. Ah. La. Lawn. Okay? The man going out there and he cutting the grass, or he's cutting the lawn with the lawnmower. Okay? Cause. K. Ah. Cause. Cause. Okay, now you see the AU makes the R sound. But if you look in dictionary.com, you're going to see it as an AW representing the AU. And when you look in American Heritage, you're going to see an O with a little house over the top. On the bottom down here, that represents the AU. Okay, now notice the C. If a C comes before A, O, or U, it's going to make the K sound. And the S over here makes the Z sound. Zzz. And the E is silent. E makes no sound. And the little boy, he's like, I don't want to go to sleep. I don't want to go to sleep. Why I got to go to sleep? Mama stepped in and said, because I said so. Okay. You got to go to sleep because mama said so. Okay, good. All right. Pause. P. Ah. Pause. Pause. E is silent. E makes no sound. And you see the S. S makes the Z sound. Z, P, ah, Z, pause. Okay, you see the button up top with the two lines, that is the pause button on your phone, on your computer. That's the pause button. And the button down there, the triangle, circle, the triangle inside the circle, that's the play button. Okay, good. Pause. Sauce. S, ah, sa, s, sauce. E is silent. Okay, now you notice, you see the C right there? The C is next to an E. So now here the rule is. Here's the rule. If the C comes next to an E, I, or Y, it's going to make the S sound. And it's not going to make the K sound. It's going to make the S sound. So be aware. Look for the C and see what vowel is in front of it. If the vowel is an E, I, or Y, it's going to say the S sound. If the vowel in front of the E is an A, O, or U, it's going to make the K sound. Okay, now, sauce. That's sauce right there to go on some spaghettis. And right down there, that's hot sauce. Don't mess with no hot sauce. It'll burn your mouth. Hot sauce. Okay? Moving on. Caught. K, ah, caught. Caught. GH is silent. Okay, now you notice, you see that C? That C next to an A, right? If C comes next to an A, O, or U, it's going to make the K sound. Okay? If C comes next to an E, I, or Y, it's going to make the S sound. So it comes next to an A, it's going to make the K sound. Ah, caught, caught. Okay, now you notice the GH makes no sound. The GH is silent. So you're going on the AU sound there. Ah, ah, k, ah, t. But when you see the AU, GH, they are together. But the GH is silent, okay? And over here, the boy caught a big fish. Man, that's a big old fish. He caught a big fish. Yes. Taught. T, ah. Taught. Taught. Same thing. See? The GH is silent. And the T say T. And the AU say ah. The AW ah. And the T T. T ah. T. Taught. GH silent. It makes no sound. Okay? Now, over there. Somebody has been biting on the pencil. Who taught you how to bite pencils like that? That is not the way you use a pencil. You use a pencil to write and do homework to learn. Okay? But somebody taught you how to bite pencils like that? Nah, man. Don't be putting no dirty pencil in your mouth, biting it. No. Moving on. Daughter. D. Ah. Daughter. Daughter. GH is silent. So that's the ah, da, and then ter. Now you remember when on the I did er makes the ur sound ter, the ah, da, ter, and it's like the GH is not even there. It don't do nothing. It makes no sound. So it's not even there. But you got to remember that it is there. So if you have a spelling test and you leave that GH out, guess what? You're going to get it wrong. Okay? Oh, over here. The daddy taught his daughter how to ride a bike. Yes, he taught his daughter how to ride a bike. Good. Caution. Ah, caution. Caution. Okay, you see I did the shun all in one sound, but I'm gonna break that shun down for you. So anytime you see T-I-O-N, just go ahead and say shun. So over here again, you see the C? The C is next to an A. If C come next to an A, O, or U, it's gonna make what sound? K sound. If C come next to an E, I, or Y, it's going to make what sound? S sound. Okay? So you go ahead and say car. Okay, now the shun. Let me break the shun down for you. Okay, when you see shun, the TI makes the SH sound. Shh, like shop, ship, shape. TI make the SH sound. Shh, shh, shh. And the O makes the schwa sound. And the N say so un. O, N, So sh, un. You get it? T-I, sh, O-N, shun. So when you see T-I-O-N, just go ahead and say shun. Shun. Okay? Caution. Caution. Okay, over here. The floor is wet. So you got to be very careful how you're walking across the floor. You see they put the sign down there letting you know the floor is wet. So you got to be caution. Auto. A, t, ot. O. Auto. Okay? Now, you see the O right there? The O? That's the long O sound. O. You know, the short O sound says like ha'at, ga'at, ha'ag. But the long O say O. So that's at, O. Auto. Okay? And you see that's a up top there, that's an old car, which is an old auto. And down here, it was a new car, which is a new auto. Good.